Day 8 of our trip leaves from Garberville, California on Highway 101 north through the Avenue of the Giants. Passing through Arcadia, California, we head east on Highway 299 from Arcadia to Redding. Damn. Feel like I'm forgetting something.
Well, you still have your bike lock to unlock, so.
After a couple of cans of Coke and some cinnamon Pop-Tarts, we're ready to hit the road. After riding a few miles, we make a quick stop into the Humboldt Redwoods Visitor Center. This particular visitor center has a ton of displays and artifacts from the era, including an old RV used by staff members. That was pretty.
That is pretty, yeah.
I had to slow down because I was just like missing it, everything.
Yeah.
It's like if there's nobody behind us, you might as well just slow down and enjoy it.
You're gonna have some really great footage.
Hope so. I'm hoping so. One thing's for sure, if you're traveling on Highway 101 from Garberville to Eureka and you don't get off and take the Avenue of the Giants, that's just sad. We were fortunate to have the opportunity to ride the Avenue of the Giants in both directions, once in the evening and once in the morning. The mood of the forest really changes from time to time. In the evenings, there's an eerie darkness about it and a quietness and a calm that's absolutely amazing. During the day, the forest comes alive with tourists, birds, and other creatures. As we continue to ride north, it suddenly dawns on me. We're actually on the return leg of our trip. I guess every trip has to have a turnaround point to go home.